Hello. So now we can see yesterday given gram equivalence number calculation. Now just look into this. We can equal everything here, sir. Everything. So in place of A, B, C, D, you make an imagine, which is I am giving these compounds, then write here. This is a new concept. Please, everyone concentrate. Very easy this one. Once you understood most of the stoichiometric reactions and titrations, everything we can do very fast. Okay. Are you getting my point? And without balancing equations, we can do problems. Without balancing, we can do these things. Please check it. Very easy. Try to concentrate. Now I am going to be ask you n factor, how to calculate n factor also I am going to be ask you. I will try to ask you each one name wise. Please respond through chat box. I can write Gn of CaCO3 here equal to Gn of HCl. You can write everything, sir. Gn of CaCl2. You can add water, CO2 also. Doesn't matter. Clear? Don't take atomic structures. Second chapter means first chapter I completed. Second chapter is redox reactions we are doing. That may be fourth or fifth chapter in your textbook. Okay. These two chapters we have to study together. Don't think second chapter is atomic structure. So my order is different. If you understood these two chapters, everything perfectly, then we can do, sir. We are doing JE level, huh? Not board. Please keep in mind. Correct, sir. Gn means gram equivalent number. Gn means gram equivalent number. Anything? Can I move next? Let me move a little bit faster. If you have doubt, you can ask. You have the rights, you can ask. Fine. Now I am giving one question. Please try to solve. Write it, sir. Calculate amount of calcium carbonate required to react with 0.8 m 100 ml HCl solution. Check it. This is the question I given. Can you solve this question? First try your own method. If you are not getting, I will try. I think so. Question is clear. I given only 2 lines. Right? Can you send anyone WhatsApp image? What's the last class I sent? Last line, last paper. Can you send image? Kaushik Babu, your doubts, if anything you have doubts, please send through WhatsApp. We'll see. Amount I'm asking, please convert into weight. Amount I'm asking, please convert into weight. Yes, if you find number of moles means easy that one. Yes, yes, you can create, sir. If anyone you are creating, I think so. Blossom student, they created one WhatsApp group. Yes, you may can join me. If anyone you are created yourself, let me know that one. Are only doubts, huh? You can send doubts. We can try to solve that one. Okay, what's your answer, sir? Fine, you got some answer. Now this is the equation, sir. Please look into here. I'm solving that question. Array n factors, be ready that one. I'm going to be ask you some people. Very simple. Whatever they given, you don't want to consider. Just Gn of carbonate equal to Gn of HCl. I give an equation here. Gram equivalent number of carbonate equal to gram equivalent number of HCl. This is the only you have to equal everything. So equivalence equal to given mass by gram molecular weight. Sorry, gram equivalent weight of CaCO3. Because we are asking amount, that is the reason. Here, in terms of normality and molarity, sir, Gn equal to normality into volume. We should be in liters. Clear? So weight is how much, sir? Here we don't know. That's the only how to calculate weight by equivalent weight of calcium carbonate. So 100 grams n factor of how much, sir? Calcium carbonate 2. Think so, you know. If you don't know, I'm coming back to this. And molarity into normality. What is the relation between molarity and normality? Molarity into n factor is the relation between molarity and normality I provided. For HCl, n factor equal to 1, then normality equal to molarity. So 0.8 into n factor is 1 into volume how much, sir? 100 ml. If you convert into liters by 1000, I hope you know that one. 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. Then 100 ml equal to how many liters? You can convert. We get x equal to 100 by 1000. So solve it. We'll get W equal to how much, sir? W equal to, this will be cancelled, 10. So 8 into 100 by 2 into 10. This is 1 by 10, that is. Is clear? 10 will be cancelled. How much, sir, we are getting? That is 0.8, na? I think so. 8 by 2. 4 grams. Is it clear? Please check it. What's your doubt in this case? I am doing very simple concept. This is not like your mathematics and physics, too many concepts. Just we are equaling everything equal to gram equivalent number. How to calculate gram equivalent number? Already I given some questions. Or you can check your class notes. You will get perfectly weight by equivalent weight. How to calculate equivalent weight also already you know that one, n factor. For that n factor calculations, we discussed very well. If you are not getting, please go and check, which is you have already, you people, you know that one link, go and search, that you will get. I explained very clearly in class notes, but still some people, they joined maybe late or you didn't understand. Go and check. I explained separately. Cations, anions, and compounds also I'm going to be today upload that one. Most of the teachers also seeing that one. They called me that one. Okay, sir, very clearly explain n factor. Please check it that one. I'm explaining that is also same thing to you. Some teachers they called me, sir. We have previously why we are using n factor charges. We don't know that one, but we explained through basic definition. We got very clear. But look into that one. I'm making for you only, especially you people. Please utilize that one. Can I go? One more question. Is any doubt this question? Yes, we can do without mole concept also. You can apply. Doesn't matter, sir. You can apply mole concept also. Yes, I will try to again one more time. Whatever they are given in the reaction, see what is the reacting parts here, sir. Reacting things. Only carbonate reacting with HCl. Forget about what they are given. Just equal carbonates equivalents equal to HCl equivalents. What is the equivalence formula? Gn of carbonate equal to Gn of HCl. But here asking amount. Amount related equivalent weight formula. What is that amount related equivalence number? Gn of, in terms of weight, amount means weight, sir. Weight by gram equivalent weight. So I have to choose this formula in place of CaCO3 because they're asking weight. But they're given information about HCl volume and molarity, means I have to choose N into V only. This is the only formula for gram equivalent number. I think so I given a cash class. Please check that one. N into V also one of the formula of gram equivalent number. But liters. If you are taking ml means I given milli equivalents. N into V ml. I given, sir, milli equivalents, that is. I hope I given last class. Please check that one. If you are not giving, let me know. I think so I given last paper, last class for you only. So I have to use here in place of Gn of HCl is in terms of normality and volume. Then weight by equivalent weight formula is, what is the equivalent weight formula, sir? Gram equivalent weight equal to gram molecular mass by N factor. So gram molecular mass of CaCO3 is 100 by N factor is 2. 100 by 2 is the equivalent weight of CaCO3. I substituted here in place of equivalent weight. Then molarity into N factor is 1, sir. For HCl is N factor is 1. I substituted into 1000, 100 by 1000 because I have to convert into liters. By solving this is we got W. We try to do one more question also. And if you are taking ml means that become milli equivalents. ml means milli equivalents. Please look into this one. Otherwise your answer is in milligrams. Your answer is in milligrams, then you can convert into grams. Anything is okay. Why you are using N into V liter? Suppose you have doubt. Okay, if you don't want to convert, just calculate answer in milligrams, then convert into grams. Doesn't matter. Why 0. What is the question I given? Just 0.8 only, no? I given 0.8 m only. Anything wrong? Try it one more question, please. Note down. Right, sir. 5.6 grams of calcium oxide reacted with 0.3 m VML of H2SO4. Calculate volume of H2SO4. If anyone you are able to try, please try it. No, 0.8 only. Anjay. Okay, anything I done wrong, please calculation only, no, I can do that is nothing. Array, this equivalent concept will take more than 1 week to 10 days. These are the main key role. Most of the things you don't know for advanced concept, this is the mainly concept. And practical advanced, everything, these are the concepts. Clear? Array, we will go slow only. Once these 2 chapters completed, Then we will go little bit fast. You don't worry, your syllabus, everything we will cover. That is, we are doing every year. Don't worry that one. First 2 chapters learn perfectly. Then over, so everyone you can achieve easily. Over your answers, please concentrate that question instead of remaining things. Yeah, using molarity formula also, if you are getting answer, fine. But learn this method. You have to learn this method, later on you can see. First learn this method. Okay, very simple, sir. Whatever they given, gram equivalent GN of CaO equal to GN of H2SO4. This is the blindly how to follow. So whatever let them reacting is in terms of gram equivalents only. Clear? So here weight they given in terms of weight, sir. Weight by gram equivalent weight equal to, this is N into V. If you are taking liters, sir, okay, take it liters. Weight equal to how much, sir? Here 5.6. Calcium oxide weight 56 by N factor is 2. Is it clear? Equal to normality and molarity relation. Molarity into N factor. H2SO4 N factor is 2. So 0.3 into 2 into V liters. How much you are getting, sir? Please check it. I think so. You can get here 2 will go up. 2 by 0.1 equal to 0.3 into 2 into V liters. Is it correct? So 2 will be cancelled. Please check it. We are doing correct only, no? V liters equal to 1 by 3 into 10 power minus 2. That's equal to. Let's check it. Is it correct? You are doing anything wrong with that? N factor, na? That is N factor is 2 only. No, you have to convert into N factor or not. You have to use N factor. Calculate. We'll get this answer. So 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 0.1. Fine, sir. 1 by 0.1. So 1 by 3 are getting finally. Huh? Okay. You can do self calculations over. So V equal to 1 by 3 liters. Huh? Is it correct? Fine. Have you understood finally concept or not? Calculation anyway, you can do, your experts, you can do calculations. Understood this concept? Please let me know that one. Someone are asking, wait, where you done mistake here? Calculations. But still they're asking, sir, what you done mistakes here? Please check it. Where we done mistake? Please check it here. Is it correct first which you are writing? I think so. weight by equivalent weight 56 by 2. Is it correct? I think so. We can cancel here. 2 will go up. This is 2 by 0.1. I think so. This 0.1. Sorry. 1 by 10 means, yes, this is 0.2 you are getting, sir. Or you can cancel here. Huh? This is 10. I think so. Huh? 1 by 10 you will get. Is it correct? Then 2 by 10 means we'll get 0.2. 0.2 equal to 0.3 into 2 into milliliters. Clear? This point and point you can cancel. Then 2 will be cancelled. Then V liters equal to 1 by 3 liters. What's your doubt, sir? And if you're asking still this calculation means we are not doing calculations also. Huh? Who asked that one? Let me see that person, sir. Okay, please check it your calculations. Any doubt? Okay, we can do one more problem, sir. Please write. Right? What volume of what volume of 0.150 molar HCl is required to neutralize 25 ml of 0.120 m molarity, sir. This is molarity 0.1 m barium hydroxide. Doesn't matter what they given, just use concept is 1, gram equivalent number of 1 equal to 2. Whatever they given doesn't matter here, sir. Whatever we can do. Just equal first. Yes, you can convert ml. No issue. Based on question, you have to do volume. They're asking volume, can we convert into ml? Yes, you can convert, sir. Anyone can you do, please? నేను ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడలేక ఛార్జింగ్ అయిపోద్దని రాస్తున్నాను అంతే దాని మీద మాట్లాడితే ఎక్కువ అయిపోద్దా అంటే వర్క్ అవుతున్న కొన్ని పోద్ది కదా బ్యాటరీ Okay, got it answers? So 40 ml you got. Okay, we can check it. Very simple. Again, simple concept. Gn of HCl equal to Gn of barium hydroxide. Array, both they are asking volume means we make and cancel sir ml or liter, doesn't matter. So here 0.150 into volume sir V, because they are given ml, I am also calculating ml. Same units there will be cancelled. Otherwise, if you want to convert into liters, you can divide by 1000, you will get. This is 0. What is the n factor sir for HCl? N factor is 1. Here 0.120 molarity into n factor is 2 into volume is 25 ml. If you want to convert liters, divide by 1000. But ultimately 1000 will be cancelled, no use of that one, because same units mean that will be cancelled. Understood?
Cannot see.
Can you check here? Volume equal to how much will get? V equal to 0.120 into 2 into 25 by 0.150. I think we are getting 40 ml. There is someone they given. Is it correct or not? Check it. Calculations. Are you not able to see my screen?
Class చెప్పండి.
అందరూ అదే చెప్తున్నారు.
క్లాస్ చెప్తున్నారు. సార్ సౌండ్ డిస్టర్బెన్స్ ఉంది.
Is it visible my screen? Fine.
ఏ చెత్త కొంచెం చెత్తది.
అయ్యే ఓపోయిరా యాడగుని ఓపోయిని.
Ray, my screen is testing you. If people are looking screen or not. That's only. Huh? Please check it. My screen is visible or not. No. No. Still no. At least are you able to see second question on screen? Are you able to see second question on screen? 25 ml volume. Is it clear? Please note down that question also. I didn't write anything on screen. Just I stopped that question after Jaden voice twice. I didn't write anything on screen. I stopped after Jaden voice twice. That is the only question. I didn't write anything. The 2 lines are able to see or not, you can check. Once you note it down, try to solve that question. ఏమైందంట కరెంట్ అడకపోయిన వాడిని ఫోన్ చేసి ప్రాబ్లం అయిందా? Okay, I'm reading my question. Please note down. A 25 ml volume of 0.3 m. A 25 ml of 0.25 ml volume of 0.3 m H3PO4 is H3PO4 is completely titrated with 43 ml of zinc hydroxide. 43 ml of zinc hydroxide. The molarity of zinc hydroxide is, that's a question, sir. The molarity of zinc hydroxide is. There is someone they give an answer also. How I don't know how we got that question. Very good, that is. Means some people are able to see my screen. But I am not doing any magic. But everyone, huh? But again, are you able to see my screen or not? No. Are someone they are telling yes, someone they are telling no. I didn't write anything on screen first. After zinc hydroxide, I didn't write anything, single word also. Okay. Okay, fully black. Only that, end of that line, second question, zinc hydroxide. You can see I'm underlining, sir, with the blue line. Are you able to see? See, I'm underlining. No, with blue color, I'm underlining. Okay, fine. Anyway, noted on that question. Na? Try to solve that question. Okay, please note down that question. So simply Gn of phosphate H3PO4 equal to Gn of zinc hydroxide. This is the simple thing. Right here, 25 Gn, sir. Normality into volume only how to do. If ml means both are ml, we can take ml only. Nothing is wrong. Of H3PO4 equal to N into V of zinc hydroxide. Now we can see simple thing. So normality means molarity into n factor is correct. Molarity 0.3, n factor of H3PO4 is 3, sir. 3 into 25 equal to molarity into n factor of zinc hydroxide is 2, sir. Into 2, volume is 43. Calculate molarity, sir. Molarity m equal to, you can write how much we are getting. M equal to 0.3 into 3 into 25 by 2 into 43. So this is the value. Please check it. Your answer should be after calculating. Let me know that one. M1 V1 only, but you should not take M1 V1 here. You have to take N1 V1 equal to N2 V2. That's one. 0.26. 0.262 or 261, whatever. Both are, we are taking ML will be cancelled. Already I given a previous question. Both are ML means doesn't matter, that will be cancel each other. That will be cancel each other. By later we are getting that going to be cancelled. Any doubt? Titration means this only, sir. Acid base which is reacting each other. That's the only titration we call. Anyway, we will discuss again properly. Just without knowing titration name, we are doing problems, titration problems, sir. Without knowing. Titration means acid base reactions only titration meaning. So we are taking here one conical flask. Then we are keeping here one burette. Okay, this is the acid. Suppose you are taking. This is base. Then they are keeping one indicator to find out reaction is completed. This process only titration we call. Acid, then we are adding slowly base. Then they are reacting each other. After a certain time, reaction going to be completed. Whenever reaction completed, then indicator showing color. Then you can find out volume of base. Then N1 V1 equal to N2 V2 or N into V of acid. This is acid, sir. And this formula like molarity only, which is done opposite nature. So N into V of acid equal to N into V of base. Doesn't matter what they given, but formula is simple. Without knowing titration concept also, any problem you can do, sir, any problem. But you have to know how to calculate N factor. That's the only point. Fine. Got it? Yes. Gram equivalent concept only. Equivalent concept. This is the only point I am trying to explain you people. Understood? I think so. You people, you know N factor how to calculate perfectly. The previous question answer is 40 ml. I think so above one only is there. Here 40. 40 ml only, sir. Previous question. Now here something you given 0.26 is the answer. Your answer is finally 0.262 molar. This is the answer. Equivalent concept, based on equivalent concept, we can do more number of problems that may be titrations, any type of questions you can do, sir, based on this. So, but just I want to introduce equivalent concept for you. You have to remember one thing, that is Gn of 1 equal to Gn of 2, that much only. Once you remember this is, then we are going to be solved perfectly next chapter, which is the chapter we are writing under redox reactions. If already you kept chapter name redox reactions, under that you are discussing this concept, even good. Otherwise, till now we didn't kept any redox reaction concept, then again you can write redox reactions. That is also good, sir. Okay. Side reading is not matter. Clear? That concept which I am explaining, you understood or not, that's the only important. Now I am going to discuss, already I discussed, sir, same thing again I am going to give, but will take little bit time to complete. The next concept or chapter name already noted down equivalent concept and redox reactions, fine. If you didn't note it down, please note down. So already I explained this concept, but chapter wise we are moving because in that chapter I need normality. That is the reason I kept normality. To explain normality purpose, I discussed some concepts. Now officially we are discussing redox reactions, which is already I discussed concepts. I'm not going to give again back. Just you have to refer your class notes and note down those points. Here, you can write sir here. Redox reaction. Already given previous also some examples. Again, if you want, you can note down. Zinc plus Cu2 plus gives rise Zn2 plus Cu. Right. This is oxidation, loss of electrons, oxidation. Already you know this one. Huh? Oxidation, gaining of electrons, sir. That's we call reduction. Check it. Any doubt? I wrote chapter name redox reactions. Sudhakar. I am taking these reactions in aqueous medium. Clear? This is the solution of CuSO4. I am taking this is the solution of ZnSO4 solution. And zinc is there here on zinc rod. They are connected to salt bridge. This is zinc rod, only zinc. Now we are converting into one voltmeter or 1 ammeter. You can assume that one. This is copper rod. This is copper rod. This is zinc rod. By applying electrolysis, electrons can move from here to here, this direction. All the zinc rod converted into Zn gives rise Zn2 plus. This is oxidation. This is solid, which is zinc rod is solid, but here ions is there, zinc 2 plus ions. That is a Zn2 plus ions, aqueous medium. Here copper 2 plus is there in the solution. That copper 2 plus is going to be here copper 2 plus ions, which is the given Cu2 plus ions. The depositing here electrode, that is the reason Cu2 plus 2 electrons that converted into Cu. This is solid. Aqueous, which is aqueous solution Cu2 plus that depositing on the solid of copper rod. Okay, this process occurs continuously. This process occurs continuously. Okay, so zinc can lose electrons, copper can gain electrons, Cu2 plus. This is spontaneous reaction, it can occur. So loss of electrons is oxidation, gain of electrons is reduction. So loss of electrons oxidation nothing but because of zinc, Cu2 plus undergo reduction. So that's why we call this is reducing agent. Please note down, sir, reducing agent. Because of Cu2 plus, zinc converted into oxidation. That's why this is we call oxidizing agent. Please note down. Then already given in class notes, please, this is your right, sir. Oxidation, reduction. Now, please write differences from your class notes, which is already I mentioned, sir, in class notes. Please note down point 1, point 2. Please refer your notes and write. So next class onwards, we'll discuss all these things. Array, your homework is going or not? I don't know that one. Per day, your homework is inbuilt, that is. Inbuilt are your homework. 15 to 20 sums or 10 to 15 sums plus class notes theory. You have to practice. Class notes, which I am discussing all the points, you have to practice. So your class notes different and rough notes is different. Are you getting my point? You can assume that classwork or class notes, whatever, doesn't matter, but you done or not, I have to know that one date wise. Date wise. So do that one. Already I given promise you that one. Starting only, your chemistry is my responsibility. If you want to get chemistry, you have to do some work. If yourself you are not able to do, means by giving any punishment, you have to do that. But end of the day only you can get benefit. Not you won't get every class benefit, sir. So my work will be there. You have to do that one. Any other, please? Array disproportionation we can discuss coming classes. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much. Again we will discuss. If anyone you are not discussing, don't worry, we'll discuss again. You may can see if any concept you are not understanding through that links. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.